Finishing off CNC Guru Reg number 3975 with the 1011 and 1314 Upper Deck World Cups. So starting with the 1011. Alright, base card number 249 for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Martin St. Louis. We've got, yes, I haven't got to do this in so long. A 3-color rookie patch auto number 249 for the Boston Bruins. Stop. Hamilton. Ba-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Oh my God. Yes. It literally has been years since I've got to do that. Zach Hamilton at 249 for the Bruins. That made me irrationally happy. We got a 3-color signature patches number 275 for the New York Rangers, Derek Stepan. We've got a Stanley Cup signatures, numbered 1 of 50 for the Calgary Flames, Dougie Gilmour. We've got a rookie not a rookie masterpieces, just a regular masterpieces. 1 of 1 black printing plate for the Florida Panthers, Thomas Vokoun. Oh, and that's a nice way to finish this. We've got a Cup Foundations quad patch, number 3 of 10 for the New York Rangers, Wayne Gretzky. Cup Foundations quad patch number 10 for the New York Rangers, number 99, Wayne Gretzky. Huge. All right, now the 13-14 Cup. What jersey is that? If I was reading the back correctly, his 99 All-Star game. Should be signed. There is a signed version of that. They're harder to hit. All right, big finish. All right, base card number 249 for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Sergei Bobrovsky. We've got a 1-color rookie patch auto number 249 for the Anaheim Ducks, Emerson Edom. Save. We've got a Brilliance autograph for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Dion Phaneuf. Brilliance auto for the Leafs, Dion Phaneuf. We've got a 2-color rookie patch auto number 249 for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Josh Leivo. We've got a 12-13 2-color signature patches number 99 for the Detroit Red Wings, Chris Osgood. There you go, Chesterlaw. Don't say I don't hit you anything. Chris Osgood out of 99, 12-13 signature patches. And we finish with a Cup Foundations triple patch and autograph numbered 1 of 5 for the Detroit Red Wings, Steve Yzerman. Does this count, Chester Law? One of 5 for the Red Wings, Steve Yzerman. So there you go, boys and girls. Children of all ages. Multi-randoms coming up next.